Welcome to our lesson on the quotient rule and its application to finding the derivative of the secant function. Let's start with the quotient rule formula. To find the derivative of secant, we first need to express it as a quotient. Recall that secant x is equal to 1 over cosine x. Let's identify our u and v functions. Here, u of x equals 1 and v of x equals cosine x. The derivative of u is 0 since it's a constant, and the derivative of v is negative sine x. Now, let's apply the quotient rule. First, multiply v times u prime, which is cosine x times 0. Then, subtract u times v prime, which is 1 times negative sine x. All of this goes over v squared, which is cosine x squared. Let's simplify this result. Notice that sine x over cosine squared x can be rewritten as secant x times tangent x. Therefore, the derivative of secant x equals secant x times tangent x. As a bonus, this means that the integral of secant x times tangent x equals secant x plus c, since integration and differentiation are inverse operations. And that's how we use the quotient rule to find the derivative of secant x. Remember, the key is to write secant as 1 over cosine, then carefully apply the quotient rule step by step.